Bitcoin going zero? Bitcoin next move. Traders continue to expect BTC prices to rise above $100,000. But a closer examination of the BTC halving cycle chart suggests that a stronger downside action will take place first. It has been consistently said that Terra's, Luna, most recent drop is the key weakness influencing crypto assets. However, it is much more likely that a number of events contributed to the beginning of the current bear market. Wait a second before jumping into the list. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. The 2-year threshold for the subsequent Bitcoin, BTC, halving. A metric that experts have cited as an indication for the end of a bull market, was also breached at the same time that the market was reeling from the Terra saga. As seen in the chart, BTC has previously reached a peak, followed by price declines that first push the price below the 50-day MA, then end in capitulation movements that drive the price underneath the 200-day MA. The lack of a blow-off top in the most recent bull market cycle confused many traders because, historically, this behavior has indicated the end of an extended trend. Traders also questioned the accuracy of the well-known stock-to-flow model after BTC failed to reach $100,000 by the end of 2021. In prior market cycles, BTC was trading at this point in its development substantially above the S2F model with a positive model variance. The model variance is currently reading as -0.86, and the price of Bitcoin is far below the S2F line. Some traders have maintained earlier calls for one last price run-up that will see BTC reach $100,000 before entering an extended bear market in light of the lack of a blow-off peak, but that is still uncertain. Although some investors are still holding out hope for one last rally before the bear market actually takes hold. A more pessimistic outlook anticipates another 6 months of price decrease before the market reaches a bottom. Based on historical cycles, the market's low occurred about 13 months after its peak, indicating that if the current trend holds, the market will bottom out somewhere in December. The interval between a market bottom and the following Bitcoin halving event serves as additional evidence for this. Past cycles' low points were reached 17 to 18 months or so before the subsequent halving. According to forecasts, the next BTC halving will take place on May 5, 2024, indicating that the market will bottom in November or December of that year. Since the BTC underperformed during the previous cycle, after which most traders were forecasting $100,000. In the not-too-distant future, traders continue to predict that BTC will break the $100,000 level, and a small number of them are still holding out hope for the final $1 million goal. The Delta Top Indicator predicts a high of $119,886, whereas the general range of potential prices presented by Look Into Bitcoin's price prediction tool predicts a BTC high of $238,298. As of right now, the terminal price indication predicts a price of $107,801. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe this channel for more crypto-related videos.